Hey TCL crew, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing another fitness video. I have something in this box that will help me with my workouts. Like I told you guys in my previous video, I did injure my ankle a few months back and it's still not all the way healed. I can't really do what I used to do. I can walk on it, but I still have a limp, and then it is hard for me to wear shoes, and I definitely can't wear heels yet. So I bought this to help me with my workouts, so I won't have any excuse of why I can't work out at home. So if you want to see what I got in this box, stay tuned for this video. And I forgot to say hey to all my newbies. If you are a newbie, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave me down a comment and let me know that you are joining the TCL crew, okay? Let's get into this video. I was gonna ask my husband to put this together, but I decided why not do it with the fam? Why not do it with the TCL crew? So I will be putting this together by myself today, so pray for me, guys. But your girl can do it. I like putting things together, so we'll see. Let me turn this around so y'all can see what's in the box. And I am wearing one of my fitness outfits that I did a haul on the other day. If you haven't checked that video out yet, please do. I will link it up above. And I got some cute pieces from Shein, and these two, this black top and these shorts, are part of the haul, so definitely check that out. If anyone knows what this is before I put it together, leave it in the comments. Tell me what this is and what it does. Leave it in the comments. All right, y'all, so it is time to set this bad boy up, and I may be fast forwarding because this might take a while because yeah. So let's get started. All right, first it says to click on the end caps, which are these pieces right here, to the front and the back. The back caps have wheels. All right, so part 2 is to unfold the machine in a scissor motion. All right, and then hold the handrails in the upright position and secure the knobs at the base. So these are the knobs. It came with 2, and they have to be in here and secured. All right, step 4, secure the foot ramp base plate over the holes on the base frame. Then the screws will sit inside the pre-drilled holes, no need to screw in. Align the hole in the tension rod with the pinholes and insert pin. All right, look at this other one. We are halfway through the setup. We have the foot ramp in place. Now it is time to insert the seat extension tube, which is this right here. All right, so insert the seat extension tube with the stop collars. All right, insert here. And then snap into place with the 2 snap buttons that it comes with on each side. All right, now we are going to secure the assembly in place by inserting the lock pin, which is this. Inserting the lock pin and screw it into place, but do not over tighten. So we're going to insert it here and last step is to attach the seat guide to the seat extension tube. And pushing the two pop-up buttons on the sides and insert into the tubes. All right, and now it says setup is now complete. Assembly is complete. To adjust the seat guide, which is here, this is the seat guide, we unlock the lock pin, and then we can move this in or out depending on how far you want to sit or how close you would like to sit, whatever is the most comfortable position for you. And then you put it back. Also fold this for easier storage. With one hand it says support the seat guide. Carefully release the tension rod here by pulling out the pin. Hold the handrails in an upright position while unscrewing the knobs here. And then with one hand, you just put everything down and you can fold it. It says it can go under the bed for storage or in the closet. If storing upright, you must secure the machine with the provided storage straps, which it comes with, storage straps. And because it has the wheels on it, it's easier for you to roll it around. All right, so let's try this bad boy out. All right, y'all, so this machine can be used for a beginner workout, an intermediate workout, advanced workout. They have different levels. This is not just for, it's mainly for squats, but it does work your whole body. So it works your stomach area, leg area. It works pretty much all over your body. So we finished with the setup. They do come with video instructions and to help with setup if you need it. And they also have videos for workouts that you could try with this machine. All right, and it does come with the little stickers on here to show you where you place your heel at. And as you can see, I need to move this further in because it is too far up. But let's try it and see how far this goes down and then back up. Tired already, y'all. Putting this together, and then a couple of ones I just did. Your girl needs some water. All right, place my heels here. All right, this feels a little bit better. As you can see, my booty is sitting on here good. I want you to put your back out, sit on, and go for it. And I believe the closer you are, the more you move it up, the more of a workout you're giving your glute area. And you want to suck your stomach in tight while you are doing these exercises so it can benefit your stomach area as well as it is benefiting your glutes area. This is easy on the knees. And like I said, my ankle is injured. I don't feel any pain right now. Normally when I try to do regular squats by itself, I can't go all the way down because I feel the pain. But when I'm doing these, I don't feel any pain at all in my ankle. But I do feel it in my glutes and my hamstrings, all in here, where you're supposed to feel it. And I'm squeezing my stomach in, so I'm feeling tightness in my stomach. So if you're looking for a machine to help you with squats, help to tighten your body and tone your body, help your glutes, help your butt, this machine is A1. I had this machine saved in my phone for over a year and I didn't purchase it. Then one of my mom's friends had it at her house and I tried it out. And I was like, this is definitely a sign for me to go ahead and check out my cart. It's been too long and I'm happy that I did because, whew, I can feel the burn. I can feel the burn. This may not look like a workout, but when I tell you how my legs is burning right now, this is definitely a workout. Whew. All right, time for me to take a break. water break. Y'all, so I am back from my water break. Y'all see my hair is already starting to sweat out, but it's gonna be well worth it because we getting these legs and these glutes together. Okay, so I'm gonna do about 5 more minutes of a workout, and then I'm going to show you guys the website that you can go on to get some exercise ideas and some more tips from the DB method. And this machine, if I haven't said it before, it is called the DB method, and it is right here, the DB method. All right, so let's go. The handles are supporting your weight. It is strong, so you don't have to worry about it breaking. In the instructions, it does say up to 250 pounds, but I have saw in the reviews where bigger women have purchased and used. But it is very durable. I can feel by the way I'm pulling on it, and it's not shaking or moving. So it does seem like it will last a long time. And I'm going to use this machine, y'all. Made it this far into the video. Don't forget to give this video a like. Comment down below and let me know if you would like to try this machine. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, y'all. Join the TCL crew. Don't go nowhere because I'm going to tell you how much I spent for this, how you can get this on payments, and all the other goodies. Ooh, I feel ya. When you're using this, you want to make sure you are squeezing your glutes to activate your glute muscles. So when you're going down, come back up, make sure you're squeezing in to activate your glutes. Whew. I definitely could feel that workout, that burn, and I didn't even do it for that long. So you could tell it works. But now I'm going to show you guys the website and some tips that you can get on the website. So when you first go on the website, it says reach your body goals. Okay, we've transformed the squat so you can transform your body in just 10 minutes a day. The price of the DB method is $229. Yes, I said $229. It sounds like a lot, but trust me, it is worth it. Okay. You do not have to pay the full $229 up front. You can make 4 interest-free payments through Afterpay, guys. Utilize Afterpay. Utilize all of these new things coming out that allows us to make payments without any interest, allows us to make payments without any credit checks. Use it. I don't care how much money you have. If you can make payments for free with no interest, make them payments, okay? So that's exactly what I did. I made 4 interest-free payments of $57.25 with Afterpay, okay? And I am so happy that I did. The benefits of this machine is that it helps with booty shaping, it helps with running, it helps strength, it helps your knees, and it helps your pelvic floor muscles. Ladies, pelvic floor muscles are very important, so definitely check this machine out, okay? It targets the glutes to tone, tighten, and lift, all while you are at home, all right? And it is an all-in-one machine, so you can transform your entire body faster with maximum results in less time. I give this a 10 out of 10, y'all. 10 out of 10. Low impact on my back, low impact on my knees, and I can do my squats without my ankle hurting me. So yes, I definitely recommend this. The machine is not big and bulky, so you can definitely store this wherever you need to. Even if you don't have much space in your house, you can definitely store this wherever you need because it does fold down. You can store it under the bed, in the closet. So I definitely recommend this. The website also comes with some exercises that you can do. But I do want to thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you to all my loyals. Thank you to the newbies. Thank you TCL crew for always supporting your girl. I love and appreciate every single one of you. And until the next video.